Congratulations on your purchase of a Philips Heartstart defibrillator. Your Heartstart AED can help you save the life of someone suffering sudden cardiac arrest. In this video, you will learn how to maintain the two accessories that will eventually need to be replaced: the pads and the battery. Each system comes with a simple maintenance sticker to help you keep track of these two accessories. On this sticker, write down the key dates for your accessories, the install-by date for your spare battery, and the expiration date for your pads. Keep in mind that the date on the battery is not an expiration date. It represents the latest date the battery should be installed into the device in order to ensure full battery life. Replace your pads when they reach their expiration date. To replace the pads cartridge, slide this lever to pop out the old pads and drop in the new pads, placing the bottom end of the cartridge into the compartment first and pushing down until it clicks. Make sure you don't open the film seal of the cartridge until you need to use the pad. Replace your battery when your device alerts you to.
Low battery. Insert fresh battery.
To change the battery, press this latch to pop out the old battery and slip in the new battery, pressing the top end down until the latch clicks into place. The battery can be recycled at an appropriate recycling facility. As soon as the new battery is inserted, your defibrillator will automatically begin a comprehensive self-test.
If the orange button is flashing, press it. Verified. Testing.
After passing the self-test, your AED will be in standby mode and ready for use. All you need to do is make sure this green light is blinking. To store your Heartstart, put the device back into the case. Make sure the quick reference guide is clearly visible in the space provided. For more information about maintenance and cleaning, check your owner's manual. Follow these few steps and you will ensure your Heartstart is ready to help save a life when you need it. Innovation and you. Philips.